Good morning, everyone. This is Anne Bhagwadikar from Credit. I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Thursday, and today's date is 11th of June 2026. Thank you.
Good, good morning, everyone. Myself, Anshumana Bhagat. I am here to tell thought of the day. Today's thought: give every day the chance to become most beautiful day in your life. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Adviti Magdum from grade 8.
Good morning everyone, myself Shruti Bhaiti from grade 8.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sai Khade from grade 8.
Good morning, everyone. I am Mahakabra from grade 8.
Today we are observing National Making Life Beautiful Day. This day is observed on 11th of June 2015.
About the day, first, writing thank you notes to those who have brought support or joy in their lives. Second, volunteering time to help others or organizing neighborhood cleanups. Third, engaging in simple everyday acts of kindness.
Why this day matters? Performing act of kindness actively boosts the well-being and happiness of the person. It dedicates opportunity to thank men and women who quietly elevate our everyday lives. It shifts the focus daily stressors, inspiring others to pay forward, ultimately improving border communicating.
Focus of the day: celebrating meaningful contribution of every individual to enhance everyday life. Focus of the day: celebrating quite meaningful contribution of every individual to enhance everyday life.
Message for the community from Shraddha Olympiad School. Always honor the people who enrich our lives and inspire others to do the same.
Learning for the students, the day teaches you to look past academics and focus on soft skills.
It recognizes how to lift others.
Help to ease the burden of their peace and support friends.
Students learn to foster a more optimistic mindset.
Closing thought, beauty is ripple effect. Thank you.